So dear students, today, you know that I think this is the third day of speaking in emotions, and I will check your emotion, how emotional you are, and how fluent you can express without any hesitation. How good you can speak. This is the matter of appreciable, but very first I will see it. Without any delay, I want to start this activity, and very first I'm going to call here the man, not the man, because we know that yatra naryastu pujyante ramante tatra devata, and the future nari of Khaga I am going to call very first, and very first here will be Miss Navika Agrari. Give a big hands for her. Please, Navika. That is fine. And today vibrate the dice. Here you want one round, you can. If you want, okay, where you need. Start now, please. Making eye contact, and just only you have to go in suppressing, right? Emphasizing. People must understand your emotion. People are saying that Navika is not an emotional girl. Prove it today. Start now. What's your scene?
It's poverty.
Poverty.
Yes,
Your
sir.
scene is poverty. Okay, right. Start now, please. You want to say about poverty.
So, hello everyone. Today here is Navika Gray standing before you all. Today I'm going to speak about the activity which was going on, speaking with emotions. So today I'm going to speak about poverty. It's not really a means of poverty. When you are born in a poverty, it doesn't matter. But
Yes, carry on.
when you are born in a poverty, it doesn't matter. But if you are die with a poverty, it's matter. So today I'm going to ask you about what is a poverty. What is the real meaning of poverty? Have you realized ever poverty? Because your father has realized poverty and your father has succeeded well. That's why your father wants that I have imagined my childhood, my children can never. That's why he's doing working hard every day because he wants your future well. But the children, they are thinking that the person they are living in a highway, the person they are living in a road with, their lives is very good. Just listen one line. I want to tell you that कितनी बेशरम होती है ये गरीबी, कि कितनी बेशरम होती है ये गरीबी, कमबख्त उम्र का भी लिहाज नहीं करती है. So first of all, I would like to tell you that the person who was sitting in the road with, just ask the person how they are living their life. There's no source of food, there's no source of living, there's no source of shelters. How they are performing their life. And the greatest person, there's a greatest example. He has told that जब तुम्हें अपनी किस्मत पर विश्वास न और तुम हमेशा अपनी किस्मत को ठोकते हो, तो तब जाके किसी एक गरीब के पास बैठ के देखना कि किस्मत क्या होती है. You are thinking that you have a very bad luck. You are thinking that you don't have food, you are eating not, you are not going everywhere, you are not wearing a cloth. But just ask the person you are eating a food properly. The person who was sitting in the road, he doesn't eat food. Even he was eating food by the garbage which you are ever in the garden. Likewise, I want to tell you the example. Likewise, in a roadways there was a dustbin. You have.
Tell you. So expressions. Come on, please.
So everyone, I would like to tell you that in roadways you have, everyone sees that dustbin, सूखा कचरा, नीला कचरा. But I want to tell you that which type of dustbin is there, where the person they are means tripping, the person they are means, so they are chewing the chewing and they are through there. Which type of dustbin, which type of, the person who was hungry, he was taking food from there. There's the resources of there. You are thinking that you are a millionaire. Okay, I am agree with you. Which type of millionaire you are there? Likewise, you are saying that Mukesh Ambani has spent in his son wedding 1,000 crore. Just I want to ask you that why he has spent, because now he has money. In the ancient time he doesn't have. In ancient time he doesn't have money, so everyone is there who gave to money. But now he is spending. Then you are abusing him. Why are you abusing him? Likewise, we have listened all the great example of Abdul Kalam. What he was doing in his childhood? You know that? He was selling a newspaper. He was selling a turmeric seeds. Now he has become the first missile man of our India. He is the very greatest. In every poverty there is a behind, there is every success. So just face your poverty, because now you are facing poverty. It means tomorrow you will be better and you will be richest of the all. Thank you for listening carefully.